Alright, so I got the next Akibento box. I think the theme was combat. So let's open this bad boy up. Alrighty. Oh. Okay, so this is what it looks like right when you open it. The shirt's right on top, so let's just go for that. And you can tell it's I forgot her name, but from Fate Stay Night, you know? So excuse me, Sean. And it has I forgot, from Full Metal Alchemist, the brother. I forgot his name. But yeah, so that's cool. I always like new shirts. I usually wear them as like PJ shirts or like just casual shirts if I'm gonna like go somewhere to the store. Oh my god! Charmin, excuse me. Got this freaking Akibento freaking spinner. Excuse me. Freaking Akibento spinner. It's a shuriken spinner. Oh my god. This is freaking crazy. I'm taking this everywhere with me. Shit, look at that. It says Akibento on it and everything. Ooh, shit. Psst, slice. That's cool. I like that. Where am I gonna put it? That's what I'm wondering. All the kids on the school bus are going to be jealous of me now. Psst. All right. Moving on. What is this? A Naruto Shippuden Vinyl Collect. It's called Dorbs. I don't know. So let's open that. Sharma. Let me get this charger. It's probably a bad idea, but oh well. I already have like a ton of Naruto shit because Naruto's like my show. You know what I mean? But I don't ever mind getting more Naruto stuff. Ever. I never mind. Oh my god, it's so cute! It's like a little, like, did you see? It's just round. It's not like the other kind that have the feet. Like this one, he doesn't have any feet. Look at that. He's just a little round, cute thing. And it says on the side, so it's a collectible. Ooh, and Sakura is another one. It doesn't say anything about Sasuke. So I'm gonna set this where I set all my other figures. And I really feel bad about throwing away the boxes. Like, I literally want to keep all the boxes because that's how I feel. Okay, this is just a plain white box. I don't know what can be in here, but let's open this freaking bad boy up. Oh my god, it's a coffee mug. Ooh, a Full Metal Alchemist coffee mug. Aw, shit. Look at that. That's cool. I just started to drink coffee. And I just have one, like, coffee container, really, that I can take. So that's cool. Yeah, so it has the two brothers, and then on the side, Mustang and everybody else. I'm gonna take this to work tomorrow. That's awesome. Okay. Then we got the Akibento Combat. If you can see it. It's kind of hard to see. But it's the brother from Full Metal Alchemist, and then the girl from Fate Stay Night. I forgot her name. I haven't seen that show in a while. But it's the same people that are on the t-shirt. So It's the same two people on the t-shirt here. Yeah, so that's cool. And then I got this Mario Yoshi sticker in Naruto gear. I don't even know. This is weird, honestly. I don't know. But okay, that's cool. Ooh, and I got some other Fate Stay Night stickers. That's cool. I like this show. I like the show. It was really good. So we got her. Forgot her name. Got him. Got this guy. And then just the symbols. Then we got this girl. I don't know where I'm going to put all these stickers. I'm already running out of room on my laptop. And I don't know where else, honestly, to put these stickers. But I love them. So maybe I can squeeze some more. And that's it. And then we have the Combat. So yeah, it has the Fate Stay Night, Full Metal Alchemist, and then Naruto and Sasuke up there. Alright, so here's everything that's in it. So we'll go through it. So we got the Akibento exclusive spinner, which is this bad boy right here. Alright, so we got that. Alright, and then we got the bonus item, a dino sticker. Dressed in shinobi gear. Alright, cool. We got this Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood tumbler. So now when I'm sipping my coffee, people are going to be jealous. Be like, who's that? Where'd you get that? Be like, yeah, suckers. So that's cool as well. I'm just going to sit that there. Then we got some Fate Stay Night sticker set, which I already showed you guys. That's cool. And then I got this, the button that comes every month. We also got the t-shirt. And then the Naruto Shippuden Dorbs figure. And it says limited chase edition. So it says on here limited chase edition. I don't know what that means. I don't know if it means you could either get this one or that one. But I'm kind of pissed because I wanted the other one. Limited chase edition. I don't know what that means. I always, like, there's a good amount of stuff in here, but I always wish there was more. Like, I feel like I take stuff out of the box, and it's just, it goes so fast. Like, I just wish more stuff was in here. But, alright, that's all. That's all I got. So, see you next month.